Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Harbor Freight email. It says inventory closeout, 3 days only, Friday April 5th through Sunday April 7th. It says take an extra $5 off any purchase, $50 or more. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more tool deals. Home Depot, Lowe's, Harbor Freight. Alright, let's go ahead and get started with this. Yeah, we got to take an extra $5 off any purchase, $50 or more. So basically what this comes is you get to visit Harbor Freight, and if you are spending more than 50 bucks, including other coupons or other sales, whatever they have, any of these coupons, they'll give you $5 extra. So let's read the fine print here. It says limit 1 coupon per customer per day, valid in store only. So this is in store only, not online. Save $5 any qualifying purchase of $50 or more. After applying any other applicable offers or discounts, cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club membership, extended service plan, or gift card. Not valid on prior purchases. Non-transferable original coupon must be presented. So what valid through 4/7/19. So what they're saying is that you can use this pretty much with any other coupon, with any other sale, with anything else that's out there for discounts, but it has to total $50. So with the discounts, like if you were paying already with the discounts and with the coupons and stuff, and it comes down to $50, then you get your $5 after those discounts. So and then it's not valid on gift cards or extended plan. So if you want to put like an extended plan, protection plan on your equipment, on your item, you can't do that. Or if you signing up for a club membership, then you can't get the $5. But if you buy anything else for $50, you get this $5 off. And as you guys see right here, you got coupon code 57298402. It says valid in store only. Alright, we got the... Sorry guys, somebody keeps texting me. Every time I try recording a video or something, I get all these texts. I get no text before, but just right when I'm recording, I get all these texts. It says free any purchase, so you can get your free light with this coupon 57096786. You got a 4,000 max starting, 32 running watts, 3,200 running watts, 6.5 horsepower, 10-hour runtime for $289. So this is the newer one. Industrial strength, powder free, nitro gloves, pack of 50, just under 10 bucks. You got the 50 or 10 feet by 17 portable garage, $179. 6-ton heavy duty steel jack stands, $34.99. 3-in-1 portable power pack, $44.99. I do have the Viking, not this one, but I do have the Viking. I do have the review on my channel. See if I can link that up for you guys if you guys want to watch it. 3-piece titanium high-speed step bit set, $8.99. You got the unlimited 200 professional multi-processor or process welder, $6.49. These are great. They do have 5 stars. So those are great welders. 25% off any Greenwood sprayer. So if you got some weeds, you would want to do some pesticides around your house, you can buy any of these two. These two should be great. I haven't used this one personally, but I haven't heard anything bad about it. But then again, it's not your professional use, so if it's a once in a while here and there. This, I do have this. I don't know if you guys know, but I do pest control. That's my regular 8-hour a week, 40 hours a 40 hours a week, 8 hours a day. So that's what I do on my normal job, daytime. And I have this item, and I have used it before, and I don't have no problems with it. I mean, I've been throwing it everywhere. Pretty much gets beat up around the back of the truck. Still works. So I'm going in a few months on that one. So you got the coupon right there, 572771114. 225 piece mechanics tool set for $99.99. You got the 50 feet commercial powder feed drain cleaner for $2.99. I was looking at this reviews online the other day. They have good reviews on this item. This is the transmission forward and reverse for this for the wire feed. So yeah, I was looking at these, and if pretty much you're gonna be like me. I have the other one. I have the one that's the Bauer, the one that looks like a drill, that looks like one of those guns from Back to the Future or Star Wars. That's the one I have. I love that thing. I mean, I last year my drain clogged up on my kitchen. You know, because I have a really old house, and all those pipes are really old and rusted, and they got all kinds of stuff in there, and so it gets clogged up real easy. So last year it got clogged up, and I went to Home Depot and I rented a machine, you know, the one that looks like a drill. So I went to and rent that. That was like $55 with tax to rent it out. And so I rented out. Okay, so I fixed it. You know, I ran it through the line. It worked. It fixed it. Okay, I was done with that. Returned the tool and everything. But a few months back, I'll say about maybe 4 or 5 months. I can't remember, but around there, it clogged up again. You know, I had the same problem again. And it's my pipes, you know. As long as I have old pipes there, it's gonna keep doing that every year, or every 2 or every 3 years. It's just a habit, you know. You gotta pretty much try not to run anything down the drain. But you know, you get people that don't live here visit you, and sometimes they'll put stuff through the toilet or something that you're not aware of. But anyways, it happens, you know. It's a normal use. But anyways, I did get a second clog in my drain, backed up all the way to the top. I had a mess there. And guess what? I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to look at my coupons from Harbor Freight. So I looked at my coupons from Harbor Freight. And I was just, I saw this coupon for the Bauer. The smaller one, the red one. The Bauer, the one that looks like a gun. For just $99. So I went to Harbor Freight, bought that thing, and just pretty much used it. I was so happy. And the reviews I seen online about this one is the same thing. I haven't seen any bad reviews on this. Who knows? I might try this one day and buy one and just keep it at the house, you know, just for cleaning all the main. They want the tube that goes all the way to the main. Because my the other one's just 24 feet, I believe. And this one is 50 feet. So this one will clean all the way to the main, you know. And I might buy this. Anyways, but yeah, these are a lifesaver. If you hire somebody to come and clean your drains, they're going to do just about the same thing. And for that amount of money, you could just buy yourself a tool and just have it there at your house for whenever you need it, or when a friend needs it, or family member. Hey, you could charge them whatever Home Depot charges, you know, just $50 or $40, whatever. Anyways, that's my quick story. I do have the video for that. I'll try to link it up above. Heavy duty portable scaffolds, $169. 7-inch variable speed polisher sander, $32.99. 8-inch 5-speed benchtop drill press, $54.99. Electric paint sprayer gun, $14.99. This is the cheap one. They did come out with some new ones. They're real nice. Look pretty nice. Haven't tried those myself, but they don't have any bad reviews yet. So 2.5 ton capacity pallet jack, $199. 3/4 100 feet commercial duty garden hose, $24.99. 1/6 submersible utility pump, $49.99. 1/4 heavy duty angle grinder, $16.99. 5-gallon wet and dry vacuum blower, $39.99. Haven't used this before. I got a Ridget in my house, here in my shop. 40-pound capacity floor glass cabinet, $139.99. 3-piece decorative solar lights, $7.99. 845 lumens under hood rechargeable work light, $34.99. You got 6 feet by 8 feet aluminum greenhouse, $229.99. You got a 600-pound capacity appliance hand truck, $69.99. You got a 500-pound capacity steel cargo carrier, $39.99. You got the 105-piece toolkit with 4-drawer chest, $34. You know what, guys? I was looking at Walmart the other day, and they have the same. They're selling at Walmart.com. They're selling the same set. It's probably not sold by Walmart. It's probably sold by some other company or something. But still, they were reselling this for like almost twice as much or 3 times as much as this. So, $34.99 for that. You got a 1/3/8 HCS multi-tool plunge blade, $3.99. 32-piece fully polished combination wrench set, $16.99. 12,000-pound SUV winch, $2.99. 3-piece curved jaw locking pliers set, $6.99. Electric chainsaw sharpener, $24.99. I gotta get me some myself, one of these. You got a 51-piece socket set, $9.99. Folding lock and back utility knife, $3.99. 1-ton manual chain hoist, $39.99. You got the 1/2-inch drive, 25-inch breaker bar, $8.99. You can't beat this, guys. For just under $9, a breaker bar. You got 22-inch electric edge trimmer, $29.99. Portable folding LED work light, $4.99. 6-inch quick release bar clamp, $1.99. You got the 16 feet 6-gauge heavy duty booster cables, $14.99. You got the multi-use transfer pump, $4.99. Alright, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. We got more tool reviews coming up. I got the Quinn pliers review for this Tuesday. So don't forget to tune on Tuesdays for Tool Review Tuesday. And usually on Fridays I have a shop day, but I've just been so busy at work. You know, these scorpions and roaches and everything coming out, and I've been so busy. So I haven't had a chance to do any shop videos, but as soon as I get one, I'll post it out on a Friday. Hopefully this Friday I can get one done. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.